So hello everyone. So welcome to Sangam tutorials. I speak Gubbi online classes for NCERT and CBSE. So this is session 8, session 9. So we'll be continuing with the problems on arithmetic progressions. So until the last session, we have come across many problems on arithmetic progressions. So we are using the nth term of an AP. We are using the formula, that is D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q for finding out common difference when two different terms are given. So this, if you are using this formula, if you are well versed in using this, it avoids the formation of equations while finding out A or D. So that is the advantage of this formula. It's very simple. I hope you are enjoying the problems. Please subscribe the channel to get the updates, further updates on videos. So notes is on your WhatsApp. Every day we are sending it. Please write down the notes, be updated. So in today's session we will be going with very important 2 and 3 mark questions where you will have to understand the concepts or the fundamentals very well before solving the problem. Understand the theory behind every problem, because every problem has a different theory, but the basement is same. The theory differs from one problem to another problem, right? So here we have a problem with us today. If third and ninth terms of an AP are minus 4 and 8, so we have an AP. So two terms are given. Third term is minus 4 and the ninth term is 8. So two different terms of the AP are given, and the question is asked which term of the AP is 0. Which term of that AP becomes 0. So here one thing is confirmed, that in this AP certainly we have 0 as a term, because he is asking you which term of the AP is 0. So by that, reading the statement, we can come to a conclusion that 0 is already a term in this AP. So our job is to find out the 0, which term of that AP is 0. Whether we have, in the sense we have to find out if 0 is the 30th term, whether it is the 25th term, or it is the 9th term, or it is the 12th term, something like that. So once again, in this AP, two terms are given, and we are asked to find out which term is 0. So it's very simple. It comes in your examinations for 2 marks. So follow the problem. Now, two different terms are given. Third term and ninth terms are given. So third term is minus 4 and ninth term is 8. So here, which is the bigger term? So it is ninth term is the bigger term and the third term is the smaller one. So therefore, let AP is equal to A9 is equal to ninth term is 8. So data is right like this. Again, AQ is equal to third term is minus 4. So therefore, A3 is equal to minus 4. This is the data. So let us find out the common difference. D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. This is the formula. D is equal to AP, entire AP stands for 8 minus AQ. AQ stands for minus 4. As you are having minus here and also minus for the third term, therefore please keep it inside brackets, avoid simple errors. P minus Q. P stands for 9 minus, and Q stands for 3. So D is equal to minus into minus is plus 8 plus 4 by 9 minus 3 is 6. D is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12 by 6. 6 1s are 6 2s are. D is equal to 2. The value of D is 2. Next, we have got D, then we have to find out A. So substitute the value of D in any one of the terms you like. We'll go with a smaller term, better. So take the third term. So to find A, okay, A third term is minus 4. So third term is minus 4. Define the third term. Third term can be defined as A plus 2D is equal to minus 4. A plus 2 into D stands for 2 is equal to minus 4. A plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Plus 4 get transposed to the RHS. So A is equal to minus 4. It is minus 4. So A is equal to minus 8. The first term of the AP is minus 8. So we have to find out which term of the AP is 0. So at this context we will consider that the nth term of the AP be 0. You have to consider that the nth term of the nth term of the AP be 0. So let an is equal to 0, because we do not know which term of the AP is 0, therefore we will consider that let nth term of the AP be 0. So define the nth term. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So nth term we have considered it as 0 is equal to a stands for minus 8 plus n minus 1 into value of d is 2 here. So 2. So 0 is equal to minus 8, 2 into n is plus 2n, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So 0 is equal to 2n minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. So transpose this minus 10 to the LHS. So that becomes 2n is equal to 10, n is equal to 10 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are, so n is equal to 5. So what is the conclusion? So in this AP where third term is minus 4 and ninth term is 8, in this AP the term 0 exists, no doubt in that, and the term 0 in this AP is the fifth term, right? So as n value is 5, therefore fifth term of AP is 0. So this is how we have to solve the 2-mark question. Okay, we'll go with the next problem on AP. 17th term of an AP. So he's telling something about the 17th term of an AP. We do not know the AP, but he's telling something about the 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. So that's the relationship between that 10th term and 17th term. He has given a relationship between the 17th term and the 10th term. So once again, 17th term of an AP exceeds. What is the meaning of exceeds? It is more than, additional, more than, that's the meaning. Of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. In the sense, 17th term when compared to the 10th term, it is 7 more than the 10th term. In the sense, 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. So in this sequence, find the common difference. If that is the relationship between the 17th term and 10th term, find the common difference of that AP. That's a very simple question. Let us convert this statement which is in English. It is totally in English. We have to convert this English into mathematical statement by using symbols wherever required. Very simple. 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So let us write the 17th term. 17th term is equal to, 17th term is equal to, of an AP exceeds its 10th term. Exceeds, write the plus symbol, exceeds its 10th term, that is A10, by how much? It is 7. This is how it can be. 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. This is how we have successfully converted English into a mathematical statement. This is a very simple English. You have to understand the meaning of exceeds, which term comes first and which term comes next. So if this is in your mind, you can successfully convert an English statement into a mathematical statement. Okay, now it is converted. Just using this data, we have to find out the common difference. Right. So other than defining the given terms in this condition, we do not have any other option. So define A17. So A17 can be defined as A plus 16D. According to the theoretical background fundamentals what we have learned, is equal to A10 can be defined as A plus 9D, this one, plus this 7 is carried. So now, we are having A here, we also have A here, which are separated by plus, that is equals. A has positive sign, A has positive sign, so therefore A and A, which is going to get cancelled. So remaining is 16D. So 16D is equal to 9D plus 7. Transpose this 9D to the LHS. So 16D minus 9D is equal to, remaining thing is 7 here. So 16D minus 9D is equal to 7 is the remaining thing. So we have to subtract 16D minus 9D. So that comes to 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7 by 7. It cancels. So D is equal to 1. So what is the common difference of this AP is D is equal to 1. So common difference is 1. So this is the statement you have to write at the end. So common difference of the AP is 1. Okay. Okay. So this is a very peculiar problem. It has a theoretical background. You have to understand this problem very well in order to solve this. So please listen carefully. Right. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 17, dot 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 will be 132 more than its 54th term? In the sense, in this AP, it has 54th term. Further, somewhere we have the 54th term. So if you add to that 54th term, if you add 132, then we are going to get some other term of the same AP which is more than the 54th term. So we have to find out that term, particular term. So once again, we have an AP. In this AP we have 54th term which comes somewhere else, somewhere further it comes 54th term. If you add 132, a constant number, to that 54th term of the AP, we get some other term which is more than 54th term in the same AP. So which term is that? Maybe some 65th term, maybe 70th term, maybe 82nd term, something like that. So in this AP, for the 54th term, if you add 132, which term of this AP you are going to get? That is the question. I hope you understood. Okay, right now, let us imagine that by adding 132 to the 54th term, we get the nth term of the AP. Let us consider that term what we are going to get as the nth term of the AP. So let an be the term. Let an be the term. We get, let an be the term we get by adding 132 to 54th term. By adding 132 to the 54th term, the term what we get, let it be the nth term of the AP. So now, therefore, nth term is equal to, for the 54th term, you are adding 132. Is this right? For the 54th term, you are adding 132. So you are going to get the nth term. So this is the condition. We have converted the condition of the problem into a mathematical statement. Right? So now, which term of the AP is given to you? Extract the values of A and D from that. So A is equal to 3, D is equal to, usually we do this, A2 minus A1. So D is equal to, A2 stands for 15 minus 3. So D is equal to 12. The value of D is 12, value of A is 3. Now, let us substitute these two values in this and go further. So An is equal to A54 plus 132. So nth term can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to a54 can be written as a plus 54 minus 1 into d plus 132. Is this right? A54 can be written as a plus 54 minus 1 into d. This is the nth term value for A54. So now we have the value of A, we have the value of D. It's ready here. Let us substitute in both the equations, that is expressions, and let us solve further. So A value is 3, let us substitute this, plus N we do not know. D value is 12 is equal to, again A value is 3 plus 54 minus 1 is 53 into D value is 12 plus 132. So we will multiply this, 3 plus 12 into n, 12n minus 12 into 1 is 12 is equal to 3 plus 53 into 12 plus 132. 636 plus 132. So 3 minus 12, that is 12n. 3 minus 12 is minus 9 is equal to 3 plus 636 plus 132. That comes to 771. So 12n is equal to 771 minus 9 get transposed to RHS plus 9. So 12n is equal to 780. So n is equal to 780 by 12. So n is equal to 12 ones are 12 6 are 72, 60, 12 5s are 60. Okay. So n is equal to 65. So which term of the AP, when you add 132 to the 54th term, which term of the AP you are going to get? The term is 65th term. So when 132 is added to 54th term, we get 65th term. So this is a very important problem usually which is asked in the preparatory exams, your midterm examinations, and also it has one time it has appeared in your final exams also. So this is the method for solving this. I hope you enjoyed this. So let us go with the next most beautiful problem in the entire chapter of AP. So it's very nice. Two APs have the same common difference. You have two APs. You have to imagine two APs. One AP is there, another AP is there. Both the APs have the same common difference, but we do not know whether their first terms are equal or not. So it is understood, as he has not discussed anything regarding the first terms. First terms of the two APs are not same. Only the common difference of the first AP and second AP are same. That's all. So two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. So first AP is there, second AP is there. So first AP's 100th term is here, second AP's 100th term is maybe somewhere here. No, they have the same 100th term in a sense. First AP's 100th term here, second AP's 100th term is here. They have the difference. When you take the difference between the 100th term of first AP and 100th term of second AP, the difference between the two 100th terms will be 100. Right? So if this is the thing, what is the difference between the 1000th term? So first AP has the 1000th term somewhere, second AP also has the 1000th term which comes further. So what will be the difference between their 1000th terms? So if the difference between the 100th terms of two APs is 100, and if they are having the same common difference, then find the difference between their 1000th terms. Whether it is same or not, we have to check out. Now, So as we are having two APs, we do not know the first term of both the APs. So as the first term of both the APs are not same, we will have to consider that, right? The first term of, let the first term of first AP be like some small letter A, and let the first term of the second AP be something like big letter A. As the common difference is D itself, we can carry the same thing. Okay, let us write it. Let A and big letter A, just to differentiate, let A and A be the first term of two APs. First term of two APs, and D be their common difference. Let D be their common difference. So according to the given data, two APs have the same common difference. So therefore I have taken only D as the common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. So this can be written as A100 minus A100 is equal to 100. So 100th term of first AP minus 100th term of second AP is 100. So let us define this. A100, let us define this. A100 can be written as A plus 99D minus, open brackets, because you are going to get a binomial. A100 is A plus 99D is equal to 100. This is how it comes. A100, 100th term of first AP is A plus 99D. 100th term of second AP is, that is, A plus 99D. So first term as it changes, therefore I have taken small letter A and a big letter A. So A plus 99D minus A, minus into plus 99D is minus 99D is equal to 100. So my plus 99D minus 99D cancels. So A minus A is equal to 100. So that is the difference between, that is A minus A comes 100. So take it as some equation 1. Now let us take the difference between the 1000th terms. So 1000th terms can be written as A 1000 minus A 1000 is equal to, this can be written as A 1000 can be written as A plus 999D minus 1000th term, this can be written as, inside brackets, A plus 999D. So this can be further written as A plus 999D minus into plus A is minus A, minus into plus 999D is minus 999D. So plus 999D minus 999D cancels, so you are left over with A minus A. But what is A minus A equal to? 100. So therefore A minus A can be written as 100 according to equation 1. So what is the difference between A 1000 term minus A 1000? So that comes to 100. So if in two APs, though they are having first term as different terms, if they have the same common difference, then the difference between their second terms, their fifth terms, their 10th terms, their 100th terms, their 500th terms, or maybe their 1000th terms will be same. So that is the theoretical background of this problem. So now we will go with the next problem, which is a classical problem in APs. So you have to understand the question very well so that you can answer it by using your fundamentals and concepts. So for what value of n indicates the number of term, number of the term is indicated by n. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs, 63, 65, 67 dot dot and 3, 10, 17, dot dot are equal. So now they have given us two APs. One AP is 63, 65, 67 dot dot. Another AP is 3, 10, 17 dot dot dot. So there are two APs. One AP is this, another AP is this. In both the APs, particular terms have become equal. Maybe in the first AP, in the second AP, two terms have become equal. Further, in the coming terms, further in both the APs, two terms have become equal. In the sense, in both the APs, 30th terms are maybe equal. In both the APs, maybe 45th terms are equal. Maybe in both the APs, some 52nd terms are equal, something like that. So in given both the APs, two terms in further they have become equal. So we have to find out which term of both the APs have become equal. So that's the question. For what value of n or the nth terms of both the APs are equal. So let us, for solving this, we have to imagine that in the first AP, in the second AP, the nth terms of both APs are equal. We have to consider this. So let us consider that in both the APs, let their nth terms be equal. Okay? Let the nth term of both APs be equal. Let nth term of both APs be equal. So now let us find out the nth term of the first AP, then we will find out the nth term of second AP, then we will equate both the nth terms, then we will get the value of n. That's very simple. So that is 63 comma 65 comma 67 comma dot is the first AP. So A is equal to 63, B is equal to A2 minus A1. So D is equal to 65 minus 63. So D is equal to 2. So we have got A is equal to 63 and D is equal to 2. So we will find out the nth term of this AP. So nth term formula for this is An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So nth term is A stands for 63 plus n minus 1 into D is 2. So nth term is equal to 63 plus 2 into n is 2n, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So nth term is equal to 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n. Take it as equation 1. So nth term of the first AP is ready with you. Now we will find out the nth term of the second AP. So 3 comma 10 comma 17 comma dot. So A is equal to 3, D is equal to A2 minus A1, D is equal to 10 minus 3, D is equal to 7. So we have got A and D. Let us put a question mark for the nth term because we have to find out the nth term of the second AP. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term we have to find out. An is equal to A stands for 3 plus n minus 1 into D is 7. So An is equal to 3 plus 7 into n is 7n. 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. So An is equal to 7n. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Take it as equation 2. So as mentioned, for what values of n or the nth terms of two APs are equal, in the sense the nth term of this AP and the nth term of this AP we have got here, both are equal. So from equations 1 and 2, since nth terms are equal, from 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, we can equate this. 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. 7n minus 4. So we will transpose these two terms to the RHS. So 7n plus 2n moves to the RHS, it becomes minus 2n. Minus 4 we have here, plus 61 as it gets transposed, it is going to become minus 61 is equal to 0. So 7n minus 2n is 5n, minus 4 minus 61 is minus 65 is equal to 0. 5n is equal to minus 65 and transpose to RHS we get 65 n is equal to 65 by 5. So n is equal to 5 ones are 5, 1 remains, 5 threes are 15. So n is equal to 13. So in both the APs, their 13th terms are equal. That is how we have to conclude. So let us write the conclusion. 13th terms of both APs, 13th terms of both APs are equal. So this comes for 2 marks. It's a classical problem. I hope you enjoyed the problem. You understood this. So next problem is a 3 marks question based on the concept and fundamentals of arithmetic progressions. Very important. The theme of the problem is you have to successfully convert the statement in English given into a mathematical statement in AP. So that's the skill required here. So you have to carefully read the statement, convert into a mathematical statement, find out the required things and reach the AP. So that's the thing here. Determine the AP, in the sense find out the AP whose third term is 16. So in that AP third term is 16. So A3 is equal to 16. That's the mathematical form. And 7th term exceeds 5th term by 12. So that's the relationship here between the 7th term and 5th term of that AP. They have given a relationship. So here 7th term exceeds means more, addition or more. 7th term exceeds 5th term by 12. In the sense 7th term is 12 more than the 5th term. So if this is the given condition, find that AP or determine that AP. So this is a very important question for your examination, for maybe asked for 3 marks. So write the given condition. 7th term exceeds 5th term by 12. So this is the condition. We will convert this into a mathematical statement in AP. So 7th term is A7 exceeds, write equal signs, write the equal sign. Exceeds is nothing but plus sign. Exceeds 5th term by 12. So write 5th term here. It exceeds 5th term by how much? It is 12. So this is the mathematical statement. 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. So now we don't have any other option other than defining the given terms. Define A7, so it can be written as A plus 6D is equal to define 5th term, it is A plus 4D plus 12. So usually A and A cancel because both the expressions are separated by equals. Both the terms are like terms, they are having same sign. So therefore they get cancelled. So 6D plus 4D gets transposed, that is minus 4D is equal to 12. 6D minus 4D is 2D is equal to 12. So D is equal to 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are, D is equal to 6. So we have got the value of D. So in order to find out AP or determine AP, we need the first term and common difference. So we have got the common difference. Now we have to find out the first term. So in order to find out the first term, we need a term of that AP. So it is given, determine the AP whose third term is 16. It is given. So therefore, to find A, write down the third term. So A3 is 16. So define A3, it can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 2 into D value is 6 is equal to 16. A plus 2 6 are 12 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 plus 12 transpose to get RHS, that is minus 12. A is equal to 4. So what is the first term? 4. So you have the first term of the AP as well as you have the common difference of the AP. So easily we can find out the required AP by using its general form. So required AP is, write the general form of that, A a plus d, a plus 2d, dot 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 is the general form of the AP. So we have the values of a and d. Substitute the values. A is 4, comma a is 4 plus d is 6, comma a is again 4 plus 2 into d is 6, dot dot dot. So 4 comma 4 plus 6 is 10, comma 2 6 are 12 plus 4 16, dot dot dot. So this is the required AP. So this comes for maybe 2 marks or 3 marks in your examinations. So we'll go with the next problem, which is for 4 marks in APs. So one question from arithmetic progressions for 3 or 4 marks will be compulsory in your examinations for NCERT syllabus, that is state syllabus. So we have a problem on the board. Sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. So we have an AP, a single AP we have. In that he has taken the 4th term, he has taken the 8th term, he has added both the terms, he has got the sum as 24. Right? Next, in the same AP, what he does, he takes the 6th and 10th terms and he sees that the sum is 44. In the same AP, he is going to take out the 6th term, he is going to take out the 10th term, he is going to add both the terms. The sum what he gets is 44. So what all the things he is doing? He is doing in the same AP, not a different AP. So if that is a thing, find first 3 terms of that AP. So once again, he has an AP with him, he has taken the 2nd term, he has taken the 4th term, sum of 4th and 8th terms. He has taken the 4th term, he has taken the 8th term, he has added both the terms, the sum what he has got is 24. In the same AP, he has taken the 6th term and 10th term. He has again added both the terms, he has got the sum as 44. So if this is the thing, condition, find first 3 terms of that AP. Find first 3 terms of AP, in the sense, nothing but find the AP itself. Because first 3 terms of the AP, define the AP. So let us go with this. There are many methods of solving this, finding out the AP. So whichever is easier, I would like to follow that. So method is not a restriction. Understanding the theory and reaching the AP is the main thing here. Okay. Sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. So A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. This is the first condition. So let us write the general form of A4. Let us write the general form of A8. Then see what we get. So let us write A4. Let us define A4. So it is A plus 3D plus A8 can be written as A plus 7D is equal to 24. So 1A plus 1A becomes 2A plus 3D plus 7D is 10D is equal to 24. You can take 2 as common. We have multiples of 2 in both the terms. So take 2 as common. That comes A plus 5D is equal to 24. 2 comes below 24. That is A plus 5D is equal to 24 by 2 to 1s are to 12s are. So A plus 5D is equal to 12. So here it should be good in the theory of AP. So if you add 5 times the common difference to the first term, you are going to get the 6th term, that is A6 is equal to 12. We have got a term from that. From the relationship we have got a term here. So next, sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. So let us take out that. So A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Define A6. A6 actually it is ready here. So we can directly take A6 as 12. 12 plus A10. A10 can be written as A plus 5D, 9D. A plus 9D is equal to 44. So A plus 9D is equal to 44. Plus 12 gets transposed here, it becomes minus 12. So A plus 9D is equal to 44 minus 12 is 32. So A plus 9D is 32 in the sense it is A10 is 32. So we have got A10 as 32, right? So here we have two different terms in the AP. We have 6th term and we have the 10th term. So here we have to find out the value of A and we have to find out the value of D in order to find out the AP. So therefore we can use the formula what we have, D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. That formula can be used. So let AP is equal to A10 is equal to 32. Here A6 is the smaller term. So AQ is equal to A6 is equal to 12. So D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. This is the formula. So D is equal to, what is the value of AP? It is 32. What is the value of AQ? That is 12. So 32 minus 12 by P minus Q stands for 10 minus 6. So 10 minus 6. So D is equal to 32 minus 12 is 20 by 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 ones are 5 side goes. So D is equal to 5. We have got the value of D. So we have to find the value of A. So we have D. Take that D and substitute in any one of the terms you have so that you get A. So to find A, you can take A. So you can take A6 is equal to 12 or A10 is equal to 32. So A6 is equal to 12. A6 is equal to 12. A6 can be written as A plus 5D is equal to 12. So here A value we have to find out. A plus 5 into D value is 5 is equal to 12. A plus 25 is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 minus 25. So A is equal to minus 13 we are going to get as the first term. A is equal to minus 13. So now we are in a position to write the required AP with A as the first term and D as common difference. So required AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, which are the first three terms. He has asked you to find out. A is minus 13, again A is minus 13 plus D is 5, A is minus 13 plus 2 into 5, So minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8, minus 13 plus 2 5s are 10. So minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3, So these are the first three terms of the AP. So I hope in today's video you have enjoyed all type of problems. We came across 2 marks, 3 marks and 4 mark questions which are very important. So practice problems well so that it becomes an habit. So if the same problem is asked in your examinations, you can easily recall and present it. So presentation also plays a very important role in the examinations. So present the problems in the way what we have shown you in on the board. So notes for these all these problems will be in your WhatsApp. Please subscribe the channel so that you can get the updates. So I hope you enjoyed the entire session. So in a very few days we will be starting physics light chapter. We will be going with the light chapter. So I will inform you regarding this in the WhatsApp group. So stay home, stay safe. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much.